In this video, I'll show you how you can find your big file sizes on your Windows. Now, first step is you want to come down here and search for this PC. You want to open up this PC, and from in here, you're going to press on search this PC. You want to search for size and then make a colon. And as you can see, there will be many things that you can do. So if you search for size colon and you search for large, it will open up all your files that's between this size. It says it right here. And if you want even bigger, you can select huge. If you want even bigger, you can select gigantic. So let's say I choose large. I can press on it and it's gonna load. And I'll see all my large sizes. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.